Hey guys, I wanted to talk to you about the Journey to Happy 30-day program. It's not a program for everybody, and if you haven't signed up, I just wanted to briefly jump in and explain to you what the program is all about, why I'm doing it, and who is it for. So the 30-day program is a very short version of the 8-week Journey to Happy program. The reason I decided to do it in 30 days is because there are a lot of challenges that take 30 days and they're quite popular. People really like that short and sweet time of commitment. So for those of you who are kind of willing and entertaining the idea of transformation, but you're not 100% sure that you want to commit to it for a longer period of time, this is a great opportunity. Now, I'm not looking for people who are hoping or wishing somebody has a magic pill to give them and transformation happens right away. If you have done any work with me, you know that all I do is guide you, and then the magic happens in the work that you do at home or after the sessions. So Journey to Happy is intended for people who are highly motivated to commit to their wellness and to try the exercises and to do them. This is not one of those programs that you pay for, you sign up, you may or may not show up, you may or may not do the programs. If that is you, please don't sign up. It's a waste of your time and it will damage the flow and the energy of the group. So I'm really looking for highly motivated people who want to learn how to eat better for their body. What are the foods that are going to make their body function without inflammation, better digestion, and who are willing to commit. So if you know you're going to be like, oh, I'm going to make an exception, this program is not for you. For 30 days, we want you to really try what we're here to teach you so that you can tell the difference between before and after the program. If you're not open-minded to relaxing and meditating, this program is not for you. I am going to challenge your mindset, the way you think, and I'm also going to encourage you for a daily practice of meditation. So you're going to have to be making the time to relax, to ease the mind. So if you're looking for a way of learning to cultivate the proper conditions in your body for health and happiness, this program is for you. If you've been looking for something to click and you haven't quite found it, this might be the program for you. If you are on the lazy side and you're just hoping people do the work for you and you're not willing to commit for 4 days to come to the meetings and for 4 weeks to do the work, this program is not for you. So for all of you who are motivated, who want to see happy transformations in your body and in your mind, I welcome you 100% to sign up. The price in which I have this program right now, it's absolutely low. You will never get it this low. And the reason I did it is because I want to encourage as many of you to access the program and to benefit from the program. I am going to pour my heart into this program. So if you're coming to meet me once a week to practice yoga, to do the meditation, and to be guided for your mind and your for your food and your mindset, I am so willing to share my heart with you. Thank you so much for listening, and I can't wait to see you sign up.